Hey, thanks for joining me here today on this trip. So, I've been camping here recently, and here it is night. We're going to go ahead and show you exactly what this light bar can do, and we'll compare it against my normal beams and my high beams. Alright, here we are. It's about 6:40 here at night. These are my standard beams. And we have brights, standard, brights. Floodlight, bright, standard, bright, standard, none. Standard, bright. Standard kind of helps go straight down the road, so it is slightly helpful, but it's nice to have the brights so you can see everything on the sides. Definitely makes a difference.